Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So this picture right here, that's Shensia at the Mystic Lounge in New York. That's just to show you that she commands a big crowd. She is one of the biggest, most influential people in dancehall music right now. Male, female, just a person, right? Big on the female side. She ain't new no more to this. And we're going to talk about a recent post on Instagram. Here we go.
Alright, my SouFLoTV audience, let's go over to Instagram. Alright, and we're going to check out Shensia page. Shensia did not ask to be anyone's role model. If you don't like my recent posts and lose respect for her, IG has a button that says unfollow. Everybody needs love, and if a nigga don't want to give her the love, a lady will do it. This is what was posted after a picture of her and a girl in bed with her arm around the girl, and the second picture showing them kissing. We're gonna look at that picture soon.
Alright, so look to the right of your screen. That's a snippet of the picture, and I'll show you the entire picture and the other picture in a minute. Alright, hang tight, let's discuss this some more.
But let's address this statement right here first. Shensia did not ask to be anybody's role model. So if this is Shensia speaking, she's speaking of herself in the third person, right? She's speaking of herself as if she's speaking of somebody else and not herself. And then it says, if you don't like my post and lose respect for her. See that? That tells me that somebody else put the post up. So, and they're saying, if you don't like my post and you lose respect for her, Shensia, IG has a button that says unfollow. Now, I don't think it would be a wise idea for a brand ambassador like Shensia to actually be telling people to unfollow her. But there was another message below it that said, and it says right here, my recent post will show who the real Shenyans are, different from the fake ones. Whether it's a publicity stunt or not, who are you to judge? How can you judge someone if you are not even perfect yourself? If you don't like my post, there are two options. One, unfollow me, and two, scroll past it and not like or comment. But TBH, I prefer you do one. Deuces, throw up the fingers, peace out, don't follow me no more, left me alone. That's kind of weird, but Shensia has been in a weird place lately. I don't know. Alright. Then here's another one that says, what you niggas out here don't remember is that when uno get a good woman, uno always cheat or hurt her. So why TF should a woman trust y'all? I don't know what that has to do with her being in bed with a girl, but I guess somebody hurt our feelings. And then this one says, keep in mind that is Shensia's life and not yours. Alright, so now we go over to another part of her IG where we can take a look now at the picture. And here's the picture that was posted.
Before we go any further, let's take a second to give a shout out to Pampute, yeah, one of the staples in dancehall music, one of the black queen them in dancehall music, looking oh so good. I remember one time Pampute was the fluffy girl, and she and Spice did this. Them girl, I bet you can't do this. Remember that? And she was fluffy on the stage. She was fluffy girl. Fluffy girl, I bet you can't do this. Fat versus Slim. And now look at her. She just launched her single mothers campaign, her single mothers foundation, and she out here do her thing, and she's looking mighty good. She's lost a lot of weight though, but hey, she slimmed down, trimmed down, and she's no longer the fluffy girl or the thick girl. What says you? Big up Pampute same way now. SouFLoTV said that, man. Leave your comment in the comment section and let's keep on with the regular program.
Right, that's as you can see. She's in bed, clearly comfortably with a female, and the mannerisms looks as such, you know, like two lovers in deep conversation and something like that. Now, I'm gonna talk about how the rave reviews that this is getting. Let me scroll on. Now, here's the other part. This is the second picture, and the second picture shows, we don't know if them a fake kiss or them a real kiss, but it looked like mouth join up there, so. But of course they are being elusive or evasive and making us guess or wonder, right? Alright, whether it's a publicity stunt or not, this one was captioned, does anybody know the real true meaning of love? And she got a lot of comments, and some of the comments that were there says, live your life, y'all girl. Another one says, me lose off of you. She was busy over here though addressing people that were saying stuff against what she was showing, cause she said to Boss Lady, but yours ain't higher than mine, cause if it was, you would have mind your own damn business if you didn't like my post. Pardon me. I have to cough. Alright. So another person says, no, I don't support. And again, somebody representing Shenseea, if it's not Shenseea, answered that person as well. And who are you again to judge? I don't know if she's on this gay campaign pushing the agenda. I don't know if that's a requirement after you reach a certain level in the game. I don't know if she's trying to tell her gay audience members, her gay fans, that she's just like them, or those gay people that are in high places in the music industry, entertainment world, corporate world, that she's down for the swing. I don't know if that's what it is, or if this is really just a publicity stunt. And she probably has some kind of video coming out talking about what if a woman would switch and these kind of things. The thing that I find very interesting is she's getting a lot of support actually from Jamaican women, and a lot of, or from women. I don't know if they come from Jamaica, to be honest. But judging by the patois that they type in, I would say, right? So someone says she's not a lesbian, it's the new Snap filter. Now, you know, Snapchat has a new filter, and that new filter actually changes you from a man to a woman or a woman to a man. But I don't think there's a filter that changes your ass into something that look like a G-string and then change your whole body, or a tongue and then change your whole body into a female, and a picture like that, right? I guess that person was just hoping that that's what it is. DJ VR, whatever his name is, says, video or not, any all you paying she bills. This person is from the island but not Jamaica. Any all you paying she bills, feeding her, leave her alone now, man. Do what makes you happy, live your life, Shen, right? Another one says, a prank thing, man, beer cocky Shen see I deal with. Another one says, love is love, and you are free to love anyone, hon. I always support you. Next one says, why people make everything bother them? Come true, Shenyangs, unbothered. Hashtag Shenyangs, hashtag unbothered. It has been said that love sees no color, no gender, no social status, no wealth, and love is blind. People tell themselves anything. For me, on my channel, I have always said that I believe in live and let live. If that you want to do with yourself, then it is your life to live, and it is your business if that's what you want to do. I think Shenseea is the first dancehall artist. Now let's take it into our realm. Where is Bounty Killer when you need him? I want to hear what Bounty Killer has to say about this, because the other day Dalton Harris was in England amongst the British, and you know how them stay already, them mannerisms are different. So in Iceland, the Eskimos rub noses when they kiss, or rub noses to greet, or show intimacy or whatever, but them have a rub nose thing we're going. Now, if I was to be in Iceland and rub noses with a man, and that video shown in Jamaica, then Jamaicans would say, nah, SouFlo, you're gone the other way, you're wrong, right? Shenseea taking it to this level right here. I'm surprised that a lot of females are saying that a regular thing, cause me and my girlfriends or my homegirl them, this is how we play around or lay down and chill and all that. Me not buy that. Any woman will lay down and chill with them homegirl like this, me think some more go on. This is not for two friends, two females. Now imagine if two men were brethren, and a man tell us that me and my brethren lay down and chill like this. Look at the picture good. Me and my brethren lay down and chill like this. What would your thoughts be? What would you say? Right? The topic of the conversation today, though, the main part that we should look at is what is being pushed in dancehall music under the guise of freedom, right? And look at the people who are going to speak up and look at the people who are not going to speak up. Look at the people who choose to speak up against who they want and then not speak up against who they want. For instance, if Shenseea do a song that says, "Take people man," she's seen as pretty, light skin, what they call good hair. Don't come for me. And me say the woolly thick hair are good hair, but most Jamaicans that are still under that kind of a mentality, the brown paper bag complexion mentality and the straight hair are fine textured hair is better mentality, then they're the ones that see it that way, right? So addressing them then, or speaking as if I am them. If Shenseea was to say, "Take people man," she would have a million of her followers along with her. Ray, yeah, take a girl man, take a girl man. Yeah, my girl, me take any girl man, right? But a girl like Mackerel now, who is dark skinned, seen as more African or Afrocentric looking then, and you know, Mackerel have her little eye thing going, and some people call her ugly, even though me personally, I don't think she's ugly. But, you know, she got to take people, man, she don't have the bucket tip behind her as a Ramesh Entertainment and a whole lot of money and all these things. So, when she said take people, man, the response is, take which man? My man would have burn you up and set you up on fire. But take man. You can't take people, man. Alright people, so see there, Mackerel has officially gotten on a plane and flown out of Jamaica. She is currently in Canada at the moment. So if you want to know, her thing will work for her, don't it? I'm glad to see Mackerel enjoy herself. I'm glad to see she get a chance to fly out, you know. Everybody should get that chance still to go see the rest of the world, you see me? I'm happy for her, man. So big up yourself, Mackerel, and go and do your thing, yeah? Me know good you come out and all these things. She'll bring her friend with her. See them Mackerel say all of the man, them nice man, them roll out and thing. She want to take with somebody, man. A Canada. Big up yourself, Mackerel. Canada should reach one. And these kind of things, right? Or she is so disgusting. Or this a movie still a play. It's not done yet. Mackerel and her 2 seconds of fame. Alright, man. Done now. You know what I'm saying? So it's a different treatment. Pardon my cough again. Still on Shenseea's page, still looking at this picture and talking about it. What I've said in the past though is this. I have said that in dancehall music, there is going to come a time when a DJ, a man DJ, are going to come out and say, yes, DJ so and so up on the mic and so I'm big up to my boyfriend over there, so. And I guarantee you, people are going to say, burn him out, old batty boy, you can't bring that in here. But then you're going to have people support him and say stuff like, come on, it's 2022 or it's 2020 or 20, whenever it happens. Come on, get over it. Nobody no care what the man do with himself, yo. The man make some wicked music, him have some big tune out the road and so on and so forth. That day is gonna come. I firmly believe that day is gonna come, right? Now, I don't want nobody to say I haven't promoted Shenseea before and until she do something like this, because I have. I've done a couple of promotions on Shenseea, couple of videos talking about her. Matter of fact, I was one of them that was batting for her when she first came onto the scene, and people were like, what's that squeaky thing she does with her voice? And me used to say Shenseea needs to keep that and make it her signature because nobody else does it. Also, when they were saying she can't DJ and she this and that, I was saying watch and see if she's not going to become something big. Reason being, and I listed a whole bunch of reasons to include the machine was behind her and she has the look. Wink, wink. Still doing her thing. And talented, yes. Touring the world, doing our business, making it big and growing. But I don't want to know about the message that's being sent right here. So Me, I will stay neutral and I'll leave this to be discussed by my audience members. Alright? It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. Alright? Do you think that homosexuality has crept into dancehall and it is now here to stay? Now remember, Jamaica is a place where girls dance and wind up on each other all the time in dancehall music, and nobody said nothing about it, right? If anything, I think the men fantasize about being that third wheel or involved in a threesome, having two girls at once and these kind of things. But I've never seen two men in a dancehall wind up on each other. But I firmly believe that that day is coming too, where people are just going to like move out of the way, give them space, and continue to party right next to them. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm out. Peace.